In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from Trello boards. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you'll see, and what changes to expect once someone is removed. Start on Trello in your browser. To get to the correct place quickly, click the Trello logo in the top left corner. That takes you to your board so you can open the specific board you want to manage. Make sure you're on the board where the person currently has access. Only board admins can remove members. So if you don't see the option to remove someone, you may need to ask a board admin to make the change or grant you admin permissions. Once your board is open, look for the members option. Depending on your layout, you'll either see a members button near the top of the board or within the board menu. Click members to pull up the full list of people who have access to this board. This view is helpful because it shows exactly who's on the board and often indicates their role, such as member or admin. Before you remove anyone, it's a good idea to quickly scan for the correct person, especially if your team has similar display names. If you manage a large board, use the search box within the members list to find the person faster. With the members list open, select the person you want to remove. When you click their name or avatar, you'll see options related to their access. Choose Remove. Trello may show a confirmation prompt which helps prevent accidental removals. Confirm the removal and the person will immediately lose access to the board. They won't be able to open it, view cards, or receive notifications from it. A few important notes about what happens next. Removing someone from a board does not delete any cards, comments, or attachments they created. Their activity remains on the board's history, which is useful for tracking work. Trello will remove them from cards they were assigned to, so it's smart to review key cards after removal and reassign them to a current teammate to keep work moving. If the person was the only watcher on a critical card, consider adding a new watcher so updates aren't missed. If your goal is broader and you want to remove someone from your entire workspace rather than just this one board, use the members page at the workspace level to manage their overall access. That's it. Click Trello to get to your board, open members, select the person, and choose Remove. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.